Hi, in the previous session I have discussed biased positive clamper circuits and biased negative clamper circuit. Based on those concepts, we will solve some problems on clamper circuits, very important problems in the examination. So let us see the first question on clamper circuits. A 100 volts peak square wave with a period of 20 milliseconds is to be positively clamped at plus 25 volts. Draw the circuit diagram necessary for this purpose. So very simple question. So let us see. First you have to understand is that in the given question it is given as positively clamped. So therefore you have to consider it as a positive clamper. You have to consider it as a positive clamper. First one. And again, what we have to clamp at plus 25 volts. So first let us draw the input waveform. What is the input waveform given? The input waveform given will be like this. So what it is given? It is given, input is given as a square wave. It is given as a square wave. You can draw the square wave like this. Square wave like this. Square wave like this. So this is minus 100 volts. So this is plus 100 volts because it is peak voltage is given as 100 volts. So this is VI of t versus t. So what is the time period? Time period is equal to 20 milliseconds. 20 milliseconds. However, it does not make any difference in the problem. Just 20 milliseconds. So first, the circuit is very simple. How to draw the circuit? Let us see. So because it is a positive clamper, what is the circuit? Just you have to draw a diode like this. But the waveform starts not at zero level, positive clamper, it should start at plus 25. So as explained in the previous class, so we have to take the reference voltage is like this. So which we have to mention it as 25 volts. This is the simple circuit, just to provide the resistor R in practical circuits. So this is the circuit you have to mention. So let us draw the output waveform of this. So this is the simple circuit you have to draw. So what is the output waveform? The output waveform you have to draw is very simple. So this is V0 of t versus t. So it is clearly given that we have to clamp at 25 volts. At 25 volts. So because this peak to peak is 200 volts, so it will become 25 to 200 will become 225. So like this kind of output waveform will come. So this one is 225 volts. So therefore the difference is 200 volts. So therefore the difference will remain same. So this is the circuit. So let us see to what voltage the capacitor charges. For this purpose I said earlier, what is the negative peak here? So minus 100. So this is minus, plus, take minus plus. So take the negative peak as 100 volts. The capacitor charges with this polarity as explained earlier. The voltage across the capacitor we want to find out. Just apply a KVL to this loop. Apply KVL to this loop. So what you can write? Minus 100 plus Vc we want to find out. Minus 25 is equal to 0. So what is Vc from this equation? Vc is equal to 125 volts. Vc for this problem is 125 volts. Once you find, so what is the output voltage? So the output voltage is simply, what is the expression? So what is the capacitor charged to? The capacitor is charged to 125 volts with this polarity. So now let us take now Vi as the input. So what is the output voltage? Vi plus 125. So what is the output voltage? Applying KVL, Vi plus 125 is equal to V0. So therefore that is what we write here. So V0 is equal to Vi plus 125. So you can check that what is the maximum if Vi is equal to 100. This is the positive peak. So what is the output voltage? 100 plus 125, 225 volts. So that is why the positive peak is coming as 225 volts. If VA is equal to minus 100, so minus 100, So minus 100 plus 125 is 25. So therefore the output voltage is 25 volts. You can also cross check like this. So this is the output equation. This is the output equation. So this is what you have to write about this simple problem in the examination. So let us see the second problem on positive clamper circuits. Here the input waveform is given, the circuit is given. So let us see this question. Sketch the output waveform that you would expect from the circuit shown. Here the input is given as a square wave like this, so of negative peak minus 20, positive peak 20. So this is the circuit which is given. So we have to sketch the output. Very simple problem. So first you have to identify when the diode is given like this. So it is a positive clamper. Remember that it is a positive clamper. So that means entire waveform you have to draw on the positive side. So positive clamper. So as you know that positive clamper, but here the reference voltage is given with this polarity. So as explained in the previous class, how to draw this? So how to draw this? Just let us draw this 0. Let us draw the minus 10 volts because of the reference voltage of this polarity. Let us draw the minus 10 volts like this, minus 10 volts. So what is the peak to peak here? 40. So therefore it will become minus 10 to plus 30 volts. You have to draw like this. So you have to draw 30 volts, 30 minus of minus 10. So therefore the peak amplitude, peak to peak amplitude will remain 40, will remain same. So this is V0 of t. So this is the V0 of t versus t. So this is the output waveform. Just you have to draw this output waveform. Again, as explained in the previous class, what is the capacitor it charges? So first, for this purpose, first we have to take the negative peak. What is the negative value? Here 20 is the negative value. So the capacitor charges with this polarity because the diode is forward biased during negative half cycle. We want to find out the voltage across capacitor. For this purpose, apply KVL to this loop. Apply KVL to this loop. Diode is short circuited. What is the expression? Minus 20 so minus 20 plus Vc plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 20 plus Vc plus 10 is equal to 0. So what is Vc value? So Vc value is equal to 10 volts. So this is the first point you have to observe. So now once you find out the Vc value, so what is the Vc value? 10 volts with this polarity. Now let us take the input voltage as plus or minus Vi. Apply KVL to the input output loop. So therefore what is Vi? So because of this polarity we have to take it as plus 10. So that is equal to V0. So therefore V0 we can write it as Vi plus 10. So this is the output expression. Let us take the two cases. If Vi is equal to at a lower peak minus 20, Vi is equal to minus 20. So what is V0? So V0 is equal to minus 20 plus 10, minus 10. So which is coming here. So when Vi is equal to plus 20, so 20 plus 10 it will become 30. So we can cross check these values in the output waveform. So this is about the answer of these two important problems in the examination. Thank you.